Emergency stops, or e-stops, are essential safety mechanisms in industrial machinery. These buttons or switches halt operations immediately, preventing accidents, injuries, and equipment damage during emergencies. E-stops must adhere to standards like ISO 13850, NFPA 79, and IEC 60204-1. These guidelines ensure e-stops meet rigorous safety requirements, making consulting these standards crucial before implementation. E-stops are designed to be highly visible and easily accessible, typically color-coded red and yellow with a mushroom-shaped button. They involve a single manual action, ensuring hazardous motion stops without creating new hazards. ABB is a leading provider of reliable emergency stop solutions. Known for their durability and compliance with international safety standards, ABB e-stops ensure rapid and secure machinery shutdowns in critical situations. E-stops should be placed at operator control stations and strategic locations identified by risk assessments. They must be within easy reach and visible from the operator's position, with multiple e-stops for larger machinery. Routine inspections and functional tests are vital for e-stops. These tests ensure machinery stops correctly when the e-stop is activated and that control mechanisms reset properly, maintaining safety and reliability. Contact Automation Distribution for your free risk assessment today at 1-888-600-3080 or info@automationdistribution.com.